Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you guys the swatches and review and first impressions of the Soft Glam palette. I know there's a lot of videos out there, but I'm super excited to do this review because let me tell you guys, there's history already with me and this palette. Today is the 20th and 21st, and I ordered this palette on the 14th, and I ordered it for free shipping. I mean, for 2-day shipping, and I just got it yesterday on the 20th, so it was like 6-day shipping. And so I called them, and they did refund me my shipping cost because I got worried because I didn't even get the email. I guess when they have a big launches, that's what happens. Not everybody gets an email with their tracking number. So I ordered this right at 6 in the morning on Valentine's Day because I was like, you know what, why not? I want it, it's cute. And you know what, this palette is like a best friend to Modern Renaissance. This palette is so bomb, so pigmented. I was so happy I did purchase it. And if you guys don't know, I do love the subculture, and I also love the Modern Renaissance, one of my favorites. I've gone through 2 of those palettes already. I'm on my 2nd one, and I really love the Modern Renaissance. I think it's just so perfect for basically like a grungy look and then a like soft glam look. So this palette is like perfect, and this is what the Soft Glam looks like. This is what she looks like. I love this color. It comes in the same packaging as the Modern Renaissance and all their other palettes, like always. It's like this. Obviously the back always comes with this little sticker saying what ingredients it has in it, so that's very nice. Also, it comes with the brush. With the brush it always comes with. I personally love this brush. I have 4 of them. This is my 4th one. I love these brushes. I actually do use these brushes. Also, it comes with the eyeshadow protector for the palette not to get dirty if anything happens to shatter. It comes with a little sticker right here of the Anastasia, and then it has a little logo. So it consists of 14 eyeshadows, and this is what it looks like, you guys. There are 8 mattes in this palette, 3 glitter shimmer shadows, and 3 just regular shimmer shadows. These I say like glitter because they have like little specks of glitter in it, so they're not like just shimmer shadows. So I was super excited to use this palette, and you guys, let me tell you, I waited so long and patiently for this palette. So I'm so excited to do this video. So excited, even though there's like a billion videos, but I'm me, and who doesn't want to watch me? So before I get into these swatches of the Soft Glam palette, go ahead and subscribe. Why not? You're already here. Like this video as well. And if you're already here and you're already a long-time subscriber, welcome back, girlfriend. Thank you for sticking by me and my ratchetness. But yeah, other than that, let's get into the video.
Alright, so the first step we'll be doing is obviously priming our eyelids. What I will be using to prime my eyelids today is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And then I'm just going to be applying it with this flat foundation brush. After that, I'm going to go in and buff it with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Same thing goes for our other eye. After I just spread the product all over, I'm going to go ahead and do it with my beauty sponge. After that, we'll go ahead and use our setting powder. So this is the beautiful, amazing Soft Glam palette we're going to be using in this tutorial. Obviously it comes with this brush that all their palettes come through. So we're going to go into Orange Soda, and that's going to be our transition color. Later on, you guys see I changed it to a different color because this color is super bright on my eyelids. So we're going to go into Sienna because it's a darker color and it'll just fit better on my crease. And it just blended so much better when I did use Orange Soda under it. So I actually like the way it came out to look. Going into Mulberry, we're going to go ahead and apply this from the outer corners of our eyes into the inner corners. So we're basically going to be doing a halo eye. You guys can build this eyeshadow as much as you guys want. It's up to you guys how dark you want it. As you guys can see, there is not a lot of fallout. After, I'm going back into my Age Rewind, and we're just going to go ahead and cut the halo eye. It's like a cut crease, but a halo cut crease. I'm not too sure how to say it. We're just going to blend off the sides. We don't want no hard edges. We're going to go into bronze, which is this nice buttery creamy glitter shimmer shadow that is so beautiful, you guys. So go ahead and blend those edges. We're going to go into mascara. This is just the Maybelline one, the one Manny MUA uses. That shows up in the commercial. I don't remember what it's called. I'll leave it linked down below. These lashes are from eBay. They're like the Mink 115s, I think. I will be leaving them linked down below as well. We're going to go into Sienna for our bottom lash line. And then we go into Mulberry to darken out the outer lower edges of our lash line. Also, we're going to go into bronze just to put it in the inner corner and to like half of our eyelids at the bottom. We're going to go ahead and put this mascara on our eyelashes and we are done. This is the completed look, you guys.
Alright you guys, so I'm going to be swatching these eyeshadows for you guys. So if that's something you guys are interested in watching, then keep on watching. The first swatch I am doing is Tempera. Then there is Glistening. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it. This is the first time I'm actually swatching all these eyeshadows with you guys, so bear with me. Orange Soda you can't really see on my skin because I am like a darker complexion skin, but these eyeshadows are so buttery. Like, this palette is worth it. So there's the first 4 eyeshadows from the palette. So those are all the swatches of this palette, and I can tell you guys there's no fallout on this. There's like on the red one there's fallout, and that's basically it. But also if you go into a shadow and you're like, so if you guys go into an eyeshadow palette and you guys are just going like this, like in the pan, like twirling like this, you're gonna ruin the eyeshadow, and obviously it's gonna be super dusty and it's just gonna have so much fallout. But with these eyeshadows, they're so pigmented, all you really have to do is just tap on it and that's it. So the brush is clean, I'm gonna tap into it. Like, don't swirl it around, just tap into it. And there's pigment, so you really don't need to go crazy like swirling it, because there's pigment on these eyeshadows. Like, you guys could see all the pigment on there, and I'm not gonna put this to waste. I'll just put this right here and blend it. Like, see, just one tap and you have all that pigment. Like, you don't need to like be swirling it around in there. So now there's no pigment at all, and I'm gonna go into this one, 2, and there's all that pigment on there. So if you're just twirling it around, yeah, and every eyeshadow that has pigment, it's gonna be, when you tap off the access, it's gonna obviously have all that loose shadow on there. So you guys saw how I tapped it. I haven't blown anything away. I'm gonna zoom it close to you guys, put the palette close to you guys so you guys can see. Yeah, there's eyeshadow that is like lifted, but you guys, that's because it's so pigmented. It didn't have like all the bad fallout on it and everything. Like, you guys, this palette is worth it. And then also I'm gonna go into the Modern Renaissance to show you guys, because that palette went viral. Like, everybody wanted that palette, everybody lives out that palette. So that palette's really, really amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys when I go and hit the pan. There also lifts the eyeshadow. It's not just, oh, you're just gonna go in there and there was no fallout, because there is fallout on the Modern Renaissance as well. It's just so much pigment on these eyeshadows that it does that. But you guys, it's workable. Like, everything is workable. You just have to like work with the eyeshadows, work what you have, work with what you have. Don't let what you have work you. You understand what I'm saying? So we're the ones blending the shit out of those eyeshadows, so let's blend them, you know? So let me show you guys the Modern Renaissance. So I have the Modern Renaissance right here. This is my second palette. And let's go into the brush, make sure it's clean, there's nothing on it. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, and the pigment is there. So when you obviously twirl something around like this, ugh, I don't want to do that to my palette. you're gonna get a lot of pigment on here, and it's gonna look super, you can see that the eyeshadow's lifted. So it's like, yeah, you're gonna have fallout for the same reason you're going into like this. So if you just tap it 1, 2, you get all that pigment, so you don't have to be swirling in the pan, wasting your product and stuff. Just tap on it. It's very pigmented and rich, so it's obviously you don't need to go in there very, very hard because they're very buttery and they just pick up by themselves on the brush. Alright you guys, so we've came to the end of this review, first impressions demo video. I can say this, if it isn't the sister of Modern Renaissance, I don't know what it is. I'm super excited and super hyped to create more looks with this eyeshadow palette. To be honest, this eyeshadow palette is bomb. Like, it's so freaking bomb. I literally woke up at 6 in the morning to order this palette. Yeah, it took a little bit longer than usual to get here, but you know what? It's fine because I'm happy to get this palette and be the owner of these Soft Glam E7L09 palette. That's the barcode number. But yeah, I'm very excited to have this palette in my hands. I'm going to be creating so many more looks, and you know what? I want the Amory Z highlight, so I'll be purchasing that. But your girl balls on the budget, so everything at its time. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Subscribe, you're already here. Don't leave. Keep watching my videos. I'm trying to put good content out there for you guys because I love you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video.